Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk money, real quick. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed cash fast, but all your money is stuck in that boring old bank account? And you're thinking, man, I wish I could just zap that money straight into my Cash App. Well, guess what? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into whether you can actually send money from your bank account to Cash App. Let's break it down. First things first, Cash App is basically like having a digital wallet in your pocket. It's super convenient for sending and receiving money, grabbing a bite, or even investing. But can you just magically transfer funds from your bank to it? The short answer is, kind of. Now, you can't directly send money from your bank account to someone else's Cash App. That's not how it works. But here's the good news, you can definitely transfer money from your bank account to your Cash App balance. Think of it like refilling your digital wallet. Once that money is in your Cash App, you can then send it to whoever you want. So, how do you do it? It's pretty straightforward. Most banks allow you to link your Cash App account to your bank account. Once they're connected, you can transfer funds over. It's like adding a new payment method, but instead of using your card, you're using your Cash App balance. But wait, there's more. Cash App also offers something called direct deposit. This means you can set it up so your paycheck, or any other recurring income, goes directly into your Cash App. Talk about convenience. No more waiting for the funds to hit your bank account and then transferring them over. Now, while transferring money from your bank to Cash App is generally pretty smooth, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it might take a couple of business days for the funds to show up in your Cash App balance. So, don't expect instant gratification. Second, there might be limits on how much you can transfer at once. This varies depending on your bank and Cash App settings. And let's talk about fees. While transferring money from your bank to your Cash App is usually free, there might be fees involved when you cash out, which means transferring money from your Cash App back to your bank account. So, keep an eye on those fees. Alright, so we've covered the basics. You can transfer money from your bank to your Cash App, but not directly to someone else's. It's like loading up your digital wallet. Direct deposit is a game changer, and there are a few things to watch out for, like transfer times and potential fees. But wait, there's one more thing. Security is super important when dealing with money, right? So, make sure you're using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious about clicking on suspicious links. Your money is important, so protect it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your finances in check and your Cash App ready to go.